Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to congratulate someone on Duolingo. First of all, what you have to do is open your Duolingo app on your phone. From here, what you have to do is go to your profile icon, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. Click on the profile icon, and here you'll be able to see all of the followers you have and the people you're following. And if I click on any of the following list, for instance, if I click on this person, and I'll be able to see all of his achievements in each and everything. I'll be able to see what he has achieved in Duolingo. He has 491 day streak. So in the achievement section, I'll be able to see all of the achievements. If I click on view all, I'll be able to see some personal records, highest league, perfect lessons, each and everything. So as you can see, I can see all of the achievements, but there is no way I can congratulate that person on Duolingo. Why is that? Because this person is not following me back on Duolingo. If he has followed me on Duolingo, then I'll be able to congratulate him. So that's for privacy reasons, because Duolingo doesn't want any random person like buzzing your notifications by congratulating you again and again. That's why I cannot congratulate that person. But if the person is also following me, then I'll be able to appreciate his achievements, and I'll also be able to congratulate that person on Duolingo. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.